At 15:14 hours on September 4th, two Venezuelan F-16s punched through the cloud deck at 5,000 feet, executing what fighter pilots call a hook attack. The lead pilot rolled inverted and yanked his stick back hard. The airspeed indicator, an analog dial from 1983, spun past 550 knots as he drove toward the USS Jason Dunham's stern. His weightman broke left, diving toward the water to split the destroyer's defensive focus. Two targets, two angles, one ship. Classic bracket attack. The only problem was these F-16. Your Sea Whiz snapped to attention, its white dome tracking the lead F-16, while the ship's second mount swiveled toward the wingman. 6 barrels on each mount began their pre-spin, ready to spew 4,500 rounds per minute. Inside the Combat Information Center, fire control technicians watched both systems achieve lock simultaneously. The spy radar wasn't just tracking, it was reading their autobiography. Each radar pulse bounced off the aircraft 30 times per second, giving them all the information they needed to take them out in a matter of seconds. The lead F-16 pulled out of his dive at 500 feet, afterburner screaming. His thumb found the weapon selector, AIM-9L Sidewinder. The infrared seeker head began its circular scan, hunting for heat in the 3 to 5 micron wavelength. No tone, no lock, nothing. The missile was searching for jet exhaust at 1,000 degrees Celsius, the specific CO2 emission spectrum it was programmed to find. Ship stacks emit at 8 to 12 microns at 200 degrees. The Sidewinder literally couldn't see the destroyer as a target. Even if it could lock, the AIM-9L's 11-mile range was pathetic. Modern F-16s carry AIM-9X with 22-mile range and off-bore sight capability, able to lock targets the pilot isn't even looking at. These Venezuelan relics had to point their nose directly at targets like it was still 1983. The wingman leveled at 50 feet, salt spray coating his canopy. His radar altimeter, when it worked, was screaming warnings. The system cut out intermittently below 500 feet, a known issue since 2018 that required parts Venezuela couldn't buy, couldn't steal, and couldn't make. He pulled up from 100 feet, immediately getting painted by 3 different radars. His AN/ALR-69 radar warning receiver lit up, but only in the forward hemisphere. The rear left quadrant was completely blind, where water infiltration had corroded the antenna connections. The rear right was intermittent. He was flying half blind against radars that could burn through lead shielding. This was the problem with attacking an Aegis destroyer in Block 15 F-16s. No targeting pods meant no laser-guided bombs, not that they had any. No GPS integration meant no JDAMs. Their 1980s mission computer couldn't even spell GPS. No AGM-84 Harpoon capability. The weapons interface didn't exist. No HARM missiles to suppress the destroyer's radars. Their entire anti-ship arsenal consisted of guns and sidewinders that couldn't see ships. Modern F-16s would